Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. For this tutorial we need number 3 hook and something like this I will show you in this video. For the first round I make a magic ring like this, and then we need one chain more if you make magic ring like me. So you have one chain and then you need another chain. Then you must to make half double crochet. You need 12 half double crochet into this magic ring. When you complete this round, use slip stitch to attach them together. For round 2, you need 2 chain for the first round and make increase. It means you need 2 half double crochet in each stitch. For the first stitch, you need 2 chain and just 1 double crochet under these 2 chain. But for another stitch, you need 2 half double crochet together. So don't forget this. For round 3, make 2 chain and then make increase. It means 1 half double crochet under 2 chain and then just 1 half double crochet single. Then again increase. It means 2 half double crochet in one stitch, and then for another stitch make just 1 half double crochet. And when you complete this round, make a slip stitch. Now you are in round 4. Again, for the first round, make 2 chain and just 2 chain, and then in the next stitch just 1 half double crochet and then increase. And when you continue this round, you need 2 half double crochet single. It means just 1 in one stitch and then increase. When you complete this round, you make a slip stitch for attach this round together, and then cut the yarn with long yarn. And you need 2 pieces of this circle. When you hide the yarn with needle, put these 2 parts like this together and sew them.